People, y'all know who it is. It is Silk Rocks. Now, people in place. People subscribe right now. I know everyone been waiting. Y'all been waiting, bro. Waiting. I see a fat guy waiting till he gets slim and Skeng and Skilly to drop on collab, bro. Now here's the collab. Jiggy D. Pick up yourself, Jiggy D. Hey, Mawch. Brawling. Look at the spelling, bro. Yeah. I know these guys going to go hard, bro. Trust me. No cap, bro. Because you know Skillibeng buys. Yo, gunman. You see me? Rough. And Skillibeng. You understand? Nah, Skeng Vice is rough, bro. Skeng Dan Vice is yo Dan. Skilly have a lot of lyrics, bro. Like no cap. You understand? Don't get it twisted, guys. It's a collab. Bro. Let's get right into it and see what is going to happen. Let's see, bro. March. Bro, that car is not gonna start.
Shoot me gun, 9 nose, put him down on the road. Make the day, man, I dead. Bam me nose, send couple bullet shoes, man, the close. Bring the key that me sex, man, they up on the floor. Spanish town in the chatimo, big gun, traffic out, tribal, watching out.
Hey, they have to big up Spanish town, bro. If Spanish town never in this music, bro, it is a cap, bro. You understand? If Spanish town never in this music, it is a cap, guys. March right now, people. I want March. I can't September or December, guys. You understand? Because Spanish Town, that's where I'm from. In Jamaica. You understand, guys? Yes, let's get right into it. Guys, subscribe right now, man. We'll march out now.
We march with the chopper till no week. Fan a killing me with it. Fire shot and kill me teeth. Bleed through the rifle, me no sleep. Tell a pussy no flipping up. Mine know they must be.
These guys good individual.
Lift up my matic and them damage up. Hey, I'm bossing a severe no the ratical. Spray to the east, we condemn not coming up. Back to them peel, me cut them head mad enough. Back to me eye, the right and knee capping. Pass him, me bust butting up. Holy man, cut him up. Use me knife, stab him up.
Yeah, these guys not
capping. We march with the chopper till no week. Fan a killing me with it. Fire shot and kill me teeth. Bleed through the rifle, me no.
Yo, they make it look real, bro, in the song, bro. Like, they're not just vibing, bro. They're just moving like it's real, like it's just a normal day, guys. Look how they move in the video.
Tell a pussy no flipping up, mine know they must be
power. Under me, my limit with greed. Kill him so white, my peel. We are live at my dream. Police, Harlem Street, tell them don't intervene. Have a chip and machine, never chip and machine.
Me have a chopper now, chatter now. Pussy face, drop a gong, mini key, and a cow. Rifle clip hang down like a cow. Boy head, shut a hole. And the ground bend up like a hoe.
Yes, back a like pumpkin, conky man, dumping, hyper man, something. In your place, me make the 15 sing. Left them like chain, I board them like country. Cold people, me deal with. Spain, them a place, you not carry feeling. I me one in the beast, and I carry cheating. For this, me a road, that no bag of reason, you leaving.
Me we march with the chopper till no week.
Reason you leaving. Cut up like sneezing. Yo, these guys not capping, bro. Subscribe right now. Subscribe, man. We're marching. You understand, guys? No violence. Please do comment. You understand? Share the video also.
And I'm killing me with it. Fire shot and kill me teeth. Bleed through the rifle, me no sleep. Tell a pussy no flipping up. Mine know they must speak.
Mine know ya speak. People, y'all get the collab right now. Skeng and Skilly. Who next? Who next?
Under me, my limit with greed. Kill him so white, my peel. We are live at my dream. Police, Harlem Street, tell them don't intervene. Have a chip and machine, never chip and machine.
At least a lot of bad words is not like in this video, because most of these artists, they use bad words as lyrics. You understand? They can't find nothing else, so they just say, yo, cuss some clap, bro. You understand? No cap. Skilly, Skeng. You understand, people? I guess this is Jiggy rhythm. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself, bro. Yeah, like you guys, both of you guys go hard. It's not only one. Both of them go hard. I'm not gonna say two because we don't go two. Why? Isn't me? Yeah. People, y'all reach the end of the video right now. Y'all want to hear this music, bro? Go over on One Code Music channel right now. Yes, and y'all will hear everything, bro. Leave a subscribe before you leave right now and check out my previous video. Thank you very much, people. People, I'm out.